I'm so excited to introduce to you our Dolce Vita retreat in Italy. We start in Europe in May, more specifically in Tuscany. We will be on a magic land, which is 375 agricultural acres, which used to be a hunting lodge for a noble family from Firenze. So this farm is hosting a winery and an olive oil farm. Chef Alex will be crafting our gourmet food on his protocol and vegan, super fresh and full of oxygen and minerals from Italy, happy, which gives you the freedom to totally enjoy Italy to the maximum around your table. I totally perceive that Dolce Vita experience as a complete human experience. It's the best lifestyle possible when you think about it. The best food on your table, oxygen in you. And not only that, not only you will reach your maximum with the daily yoga that is offered, but you have options there to do various activities. If you like to golf, you can golf not far away. And if you like to bicycle, come with me. We'll go check out the village together on a tour. The Mino Netta tour. Horseback riding? Let's make that happen. A massage? Let's do it. Frequencies? Sound therapy? Oui. And many more workshops. It could be art therapy, writing, journals. I really believe in manifesting also with writing. It's beautiful. We'll take care of ourselves. We will have 12 guests, the magic number. It's so big there. We will have space between each other to totally maximize the situation. We will never forget that. And let's learn a little Italian while we're there, as we're there. The beauty is, we pick you up at the airport with our mini Mercedes bus straight to the villa. We will live like kings and queens because that's how we deserve it, in the balance. This is how we want to live. It's quantum. It's what we want. We don't have time. We have to think what we want and be it, because time accelerates somehow. So let's go in a place where time stopped and let's savor that moment and let's enjoy life totally.